8051 microcontroller with the help of USB ASP programmer. Here the USB ASP programmer is basically translating the EEPROM program inside the actual hardware of 8051. The ASP stands for AVR Serial Programmer and USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Now, for achieving our objective of interfacing LED with 8051, we need to connect. First, we need to download the corresponding PROG ISP 1.72.zip from the Google. You can download this driver and then we can connect the USB ASP pins with 8051 as shown in the diagram. The first pin is MISO. The first pin is MOSI, which stands for Master Out Slave In. The second is MISO. It stands for Master In Slave Out. The next pin is SCK, which basically it is nothing but a serial clock and it is output from the master. This pin is basically implementing this pin, the serial clock or synchronization between the USB and ASP programming through the microcontroller. And the last, ground and VCC pins. These are basically connected to basic ground and VCC pins. In the next diagram, we are going to see the actual hardware connection of LED interfacing with microcontroller. Here we see the actual hardware interfacing diagram of light emitting diode with 8051 microcontroller. It is connected to port number 2 at pin number 0 through a 5-volt supply. We also see that the external enable access is connected to VCC as we don't want to connect it to the, we are actually disabling this external enable bar. This is activated when it is low, but since we are connecting it to the VCC, that means we are inactivating. Now this pin basically enables the external access, but in our requirement, we are disabling it because we are going to use the internal ROM or sorry, EEPROM memory inside the microcontroller. So that is how we have disabled this. A crystal is connected over here for at proper crystal frequency to run the microcontroller. Here the code for corresponding LED programmer interfacing the LED with 8051 is displayed over here. This program is basically written in C, where we can see the two programs. One is main and second is a delay program. In main program, we are actually writing the turn on and turn off commands for LED with a proper delay. And the delay is called through this procedure, void delay. And the while loop is basically run for infinite times to make the LED continuously on and off. Now to run the program, we need to first click on build, rebuild pin to compile this program inside the simulation software. After we see that in the bottom, there are no errors. That means the code is proper. Now we are going to debug this program by clicking on start stop debug session. It will ask you the size limit is okay. That is the 2K size limit is okay or not. Since this code is very small, not more than 2K, so we can very well select with this. We can go okay with this. We can click okay here. Now we have to run the program. For running the program, we have to hit the F5 click. Okay, and we see here that the LED port which is connected at port number 2 and 0 pin is continuously blinking. Now this is how we can see this output on the simulation software. In next discussion, we'll show you how to write this program on a hardware. Now here we are going to click on the PROG ISP 1.72. This file will actually translate the simulation file or the program into the hardware of 8051. For that, we need to click on PROG ISP exe, and then this menu will appear in front of you. Then here we have to erase the original contents or the old contents of the microcontroller, if any, by clicking the button on, by clicking the erase button over here. Okay, now we want to translate the program which is written inside the Keil software into the ROM of 8051. For that, we need to click the file and we'll click the load flash. Here flash memory is nothing but your ROM memory inside the microcontroller. And then we'll select the file LED interface, which is there available inside our simulation software. And then we will go and hit the command button on this front panel. And then we'll just click on write flash. So after installing the the simulation software hex file into the microcontroller using Proc ISP, as we have already seen that we basically translates the hex file into the target microcontroller by using the Proc ISP. Now this is basically the USB ASP interface, and we can see the hardware how it is connected to the microcontroller. Now we can see this LED blinking continuously with a proper delay as written in the code. The big one here is basically the microcontroller IC, and this is the LED which we have connected and it is continuously running. That means it is continuously getting on and off. I hope you have understood the interfacing of USB ASP with microcontroller, where we are translating the software into the target microcontroller for making for interfacing the LED with microcontroller using hardware. Thank you very much.